Hey everyone. Um, Today was first today is day 12 of my stock market challenge, going from $2,000 to $100,000 by the end of 2018. And today was an absolutely soul-crushing day for me. Um, Unbelievable. Lost $5,000 in one day within a matter of 30 minutes. Um, that can happen in the market. It can happen to anyone. It happens to the best. It happens definitely to the worst. Um, you know, Started off the day without a cushion and tried to dig myself out of a hole, and just kept getting worse and worse. And I should have known to pull away, and I got frustrated. Mm, Every time I jumped in, when I thought the price was going to break out, I just got slammed down. Um, Not just a little 10-cent slam. We're talking like 50-cent slams in a few instances here. I'll show you the trades, but today's P&L is about minus $5,200. It was a lot worse. I made a little bit back in the afternoon. I was just trying to hit a few scalps and did an Apple put after Apple reached 180 and made $400 on that. So whoop-dee. Um, so we'll go through the trades, and then I'll provide a few bits of, some commentary and a little update to the challenge. So first trade of the day, right out of the gate, got 2,500 shares long on LITB. I saw it popping up, and then it crashed down. Had to sell at 247, 248. Let's take a look at that. LITB, you can see um, right out of the gate, this is the 5-minute chart. Let me bring up the 1 minute. So pre-market, it was holding up pretty good. Um, you can see here the pre-market action hit a high of 309, sold off, but it held these levels. Just kind of up and down, up and down, up and down. I was looking right here at this 266 pre-market high for the most current kind of levels, and right here too, you can see where it hit that and bounced down. So I was looking for a break over that, which it did. So you can see where I got in, um, right at 632. Got in at 270. So 632. It's this candle right here. First candle was a red. Second candle started bouncing higher, and I thought, okay, this is it. We have a runner. So got in at 270, and it immediately dropped and then popped up to 280. And I thought, okay, there's my 10 cents right there. I'm just waiting for one more little push, and I'm going to sell. Push never came, and this was very fast dropping. You can see it dropped all the way down here. Um, just never held up, faded all the way into the close. Um, yeah, no action here. So, first trade of the day, you can see that was a loss of $552. Only took 2,500 shares, so not bad. Um, Next trade was on GNC. This one I made about $100 to begin with. It's not even really worth showing. Just looking forward to break over the highs of the day at that time. Um, Here, I'll show you guys real quick. GNC. Right here, this one started popping up. I saw the pullback. Um, Try to get in on it, and it just kept crashing down. What sucks is that it wound up breaking over $5 just later on. If I just had the patience to hold it, but because I was already down, um, I lost. Only made $100 on that trade. Tried to take a quick scalp, and then I got back in later, and as you can see, proceeded to lose $1,000 on that. Um, that was right here at this candle. I was expecting it to tap the high again, or break over 5, and then continue higher. and it didn't, and it quickly sold off. So today's shorts acted very quickly. It was, pretty tough to make any money today. There weren't really much anything. Nothing was really running. Then Archon came along and got in on that 275, sold for a loss at 273, got back in at 3, sold it at 306. That's not a very satisfying gain. So again, I jumped in that later in the day and got in at 345, expecting it to break over the high of the day. And you can see here, I just got slammed down to 314. Um, here you can see this is less than 20 seconds later. This thing is just nosediving on me in 20 seconds. That's hardly enough time to let your stock even this, usually 15 to 20 seconds. If it doesn't start working in my way, I sell it. And then this one, right at my threshold, it just took a dump on me. Um, and here's where I lost $1,000 on GNC. Um, went from 502, and what the main part? Look here, 7,500 shares, 7,500 shares of Archon. I got way too aggressive for what the market was giving at that time, and I should have scaled back my size. So, and I paid for it. Here's Archon. Guess guess where I got in, right? So look at this huge run up here. Look at the pullback. I was thinking, oh great, this is a beautiful bull flag forming here. Check out the 5-minute chart. Everything was like lining up that it was going to break out higher, right? So ran up here. This obviously hadn't kind of materialized, but look, see, kind of lower, higher lows, right? And then this thing just kind of slammed me down. So it is what it is. 22.50 loss on that. Can't cry about it now. So, what does that mean for the challenge? Well, it means two things. Number one, uh, I'm not giving up. So very determined, dedicated to this, and I want to see this all the way through. I'm gung ho about getting to $100,000. Um, it's fine, my account. I'm just basically kind of reset back to where I started January 1st. So I lost basically 12 trading days. The good news is the year is just beginning. It's very early. I have plenty of time to catch up. There's a stock market is happening again tomorrow. It's happening again on Monday, all next week, every day. Um, this thing is going on, and there's, opportunities abound. I'm not seeing anything drying up. I just lost my mind today and went a little crazy. So tomorrow I'm just gonna take the day off. Probably not gonna take any trades tomorrow. If I do, it's gonna be very low share size, and starting all next week as well. I'm kind of putting myself in a penalty box. So I'm only gonna take 1,000 shares. Whereas, I was just taking 7,500 shares on my last trade, which is insane. It's not necessary. I didn't need to do that. I was just being very greedy and aggressive for no reason. So starting tomorrow, probably not going to take any trades unless something looks great. It needs to be a quality setup only, um, and only taking a max of 1,000 share size, um, and that's going to be all next week as well. Until I can get back to making consistent profits every day. Um, so I think if I can make a profit every day, starting tomorrow into next Friday, um, then I'll consider taking myself out of the penalty box and kind of going back to my normal routine, 2,500 share at a time, um, multiple trades within one session. So that's kind of where it stands, and I'm not giving up. This doesn't mean it's over for me. I'm just getting started, in fact. So I'm still very bullish on the market, and I still think I can do this. I've seen other people do it, and it's not impossible. So with that being said, if you want to continue watching my journey and seeing me kind of get through uh, the downs, the down times as well as the good times, please hit that subscribe button and give the video a like if you enjoy watching this. I still promise to make more videos of tutorials once I get better software. I'm just kind of like vetting out what software I should use to show. Right now I'm just using QuickTime on my MacBook, so kind of cheap, doing it cheaply. Um, so yeah, please subscribe, and you'll see, you'll learn a lot from me, and hopefully it translates to your own trades. Um, there's bad days and there's good days, so I'm gonna go to Tahoe this weekend, and I'm gonna clear my mind and hit the slopes and have a good time. I'm gonna forget about all this and come back Monday feeling completely refreshed and ready to seize the moment. So have a good one, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow.